Good evening, viewers. Actually, I have made my channel from couple of days back, but I didn't get the chance to upload the video, and everyone was asking from me that upload the video, and I was thinking that by the weekend I will be uploading this. Welcome to all of you on this channel, and today we will be starting our topic from the COVID-19. Because why we need to start this topic, viewers? Because everyone is suffering from the COVID-19, and the whole world is facing this big pandemic, and everyone is so much stressed. There are various reasons behind it why people are so much stressed with it, because previously it was only cancer. Whenever someone was listening the name of someone got cancer, the people were having immense pressure because that was the only terminal disease. But after that, this COVID-19 is just like a big thing for the whole world. We can see that USA, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, they are such a developed countries, but they are unable to fight against this disease. What is the reason behind it? And it is catching, and the outbreak of this disease is so much that it can spread while we are having any communication, or we are meeting to someone. So it develops immediately. That's why it is having immense pressure. And what is the rate of the mortality? We are having the look on the rate of the mortality. The rate of survival is very low as compared to the rate of mortality. So this is extremely psychologically having some pressure on the people. Though there are two categories of the people: one who are suffering from the COVID-19, and the other group is who are not having it. So when we look at the people who are already suffering from it, they never know कि either they will be curing from this disorder or not. So other than the physical symptoms, other than their physical discomfort, they are facing immense psychological pressure, because they are seeing the death, they are perceiving the death. They never know okay, when they will die, either they will survive or not. So they are fighting at the two sides at the same time. They never know okay, they will be survived, or the next name would be there in the lists of the dead people. So this is extremely having a psychological pressure on all the sufferers of COVID-19. We need to discuss from the three angles of it. First is the physical well-being. They are having the physical stress, different etiologies, like there are different symptoms, like they are having sore throat, they are feeling extremely bodily pains. And the second is that is related to the mental well-being, which is equally important as the physical well-being is important. And how we need to cope up with both of the situations, it could be done only through, if they are strong-willed people, then they can fight mentally as well, because though the physical well-being is also very important, but mental well-being is equally important to the physical well-being. Whenever someone gets COVID-19 is positive, that could be not that could be a scene. I cannot describe the feelings of such people, because they have their own direct feelings, and only they can report it through their self-report. It is such a hazardous, it's such a painful thing, it would be so much agony for them. Oh, they got COVID-19. This is extremely matter of worry for them. So, and with the passage of the time, as they are developing the physical symptoms, they are also developing the psychological symptoms as well, extreme level of the worries. And me and you, everyone know it, that whenever someone is having the physical symptoms, the immunity level decrease the people when they are taking the psychological stress. So they should not take the psychological stress at that moment. Rather, they should need to make their nerves strong enough, because this is the situation. They cannot flight from that situation. So they need to fight with this situation. And how they can do it? They need to mm, they need to work on their mental thought, cognitive process. They need to work on their thought process, and they also, other than taking the good nutritious diet, they need to be iron nerves. And we have seen that the number of the people are curing from the COVID-19. What's the reason behind it? There are a number of the reasons. First thing is that such people were extremely having the high level of immunity. And if one is having the high level of immunity, they generate it and they become a stronger person. We need to be a very strong. And the second thing is what they are facing while in the quarantine. They are living in the isolation. This is another thing on them. Already they got the positive COVID-19. Now they are isolated. There is no one around, and man is the social animal. How one can live without the company? How one can live without the family? He'll have to be just like staying in the cell. But this is very important. This is extremely important to quarantine oneself when one get to know about it that he or she got COVID-19. Because we also need to have a look at the social well-being of the people, and the social well-being is the only thing that we need to maintain the distance from the rest of our family members and from the society. And if we are not taking care of such things, so it would be very difficult, and the pandemic will spread more and more, and then there will be more sufferer from it. So, in this thing, we need to have a look at physical well-being of the people, mental well-being of the people, and the social well-being of the people. If we are quarantined, that is best for our safety and security. This is good for the family members. And if we are keeping the distance from the rest of the community, it means that we are doing for the social well-being. This is a very good on the part of the person who is already suffering from it, and he is doing a virtue. He is not causing to create this sort of pandemic to the rest of the people, because he don't want to mm, create the agony for the rest of the people, the agony he is suffering from himself. So this is the most important thing. So these things can be um, very important on the part of the individual. We also have to change the cognition of the person, that if someone got this disease positive, don't take it on your nerves. Just pray from your God, just pray from Allah, and don't cause any sort of panic, and don't take anxiety, don't take stress, and you need to be very calm and I can't say that one can stay comfortable in this situation, because he can only know, he is the only person who is suffering from this terminal disease. And whenever they conquer this disease, they are really very lucky, and we need to salute them, and we can motivate such people that they must go for donation of their plasma, so other people may get the chance that they can also cure from it. We also need to have a look on the other aspect of the COVID-19, that is the economic recession, and the whole world is also facing the redundancy. The people who are working in the various categories and the laborers. Let's have a look at the laborers. They cannot get their work on the daily basis. They are under economic stress. They need to they need to get out of that stress. And how they can get out of this stress, because this is the thing which whole world is facing. They need to accept this reality, and whenever one gets the accept the reality that everyone is facing, this is not the only me, or I'm not the only person who is suffering from this economic turmoil. So we also have to take them out of that particular stress and the financial burden they are taking in this period. Hopefully, we can pray and we can hope for the best that this COVID-19 will be finished, and the life will be on the normal pace and the normal routine. So everyone is suffering from this, and while staying in the home, people may face various sort of the psychological pressures and the psychological disturbances. We can have a look at the children. They are staying for a fairly long period of time in the houses, and they get bored because they are away from their friends. They cannot stay in one room. But we Pakistanis are very lucky that we are living in such a big houses. When we have a look at the foreign countries, so there are small apartments and the small rooms, and they don't have even enough space that they can do the physical activities. So in our country, what children can do, they can play, they can involve in the physical activities, and they can speak to their friends on the various social networking sites. Whenever we speak, why we will be ignoring adolescents? They are a good number in our society, and they are extremely social. We also need to take care of their mental well-being, because they are very social people and they are extrovert. They love to go to the parties, they love to go to their friends, and they cannot stop say they cannot say no to their friends. Why they cannot? So because they are extremely social. They are the only social people who we cannot imagine that they could be introverts. So when they cannot be introverts, so they are the social people. How we can manage it, that we need to force them to stay home, and when they will stay home, so they will be facing another mental pressure. Okay, what we will do at home? We got no activity. Why you have banned us that we cannot go out? So mashallah, I hope that they are mature and they can understand the situation. When developed countries cannot overcome this COVID-19, so we need to stay home for the safety and security, not only for ourselves, for the rest of the people as well. So this is again the point of the social well-being. So I hope and I request from all the adolescents that they need to avoid going in the social gatherings. It would be some sort of the psychological pressure, but this pressure will be over soon. And they can read book, they can involve in some religious activities, they can recite Quran, and they can keep on writing. If there are some ideas coming in their mind, so they can also write it. And we cannot also ignore the students. They were extremely well prepared for the exams, and even the Cambridge exams were also postponed. So the students were also feeling immense pressure because they have made the very good preparation for it. To how we can handle the issues of the students as well. And you also know it, that whenever there is the procrastination, those students may feel immense pressure and they forget the things, and they may say that our learning is not of that quality. And for this session we were very much well prepared, and we don't know, okay, how we will be able to make the good preparation. To whenever there is some delay in the particular things, to people definitely think that their performance is dropping down. How we need to cope up with them? We also need to do their counseling, and I hope and I'm sure that with the simple sessions of the counseling, they can understand it well, that this is not only for them. This is They are not the only sufferers. Rather, all the students throughout the world, they are facing this situation, and only one cognition can change their mind, and they can get relief from their stress, and they can get relief from their this agony, that they can appear in the next session, because life is the most important thing. If there is a life, they can do anything in their life. So, and if there is no life, if they would be going in the public, if they would be going in the examination halls, so it wouldn't be good for them, not only for them, rather for the rest of the people. So this only cognition can bring satisfaction in their discomfort level. So this was all about of the students, how students need to manage their stress in this situation. So this situation is controlled when this situation will be controlled, so they can we can expect that students also can get very good grades, and there will be no more stress, and there will be all pleasure, and life is there ahead for them. So we also need to speak about all those adults who are staying at home. Many of them are working from home, and this is a very good very excuse me. This was very good opportunity for them, that they are working from home and they are keeping themselves busy, and they are managing all of their stuff from the home. So we the current scenario is that the whole world is having this pandemic, and there shouldn't be any type of the mental stress or mental burden on the people of the whole world. Either they are Pakistani, or they are abroad, or they belong to some other religion. We need to we need to understand a simple thing, and that simple thing is this time will be over soon, and we will have to manage our stress at any cost. And they can make their priority lists, whatever they are gonna do in this quarantine session. There could be number of the things through which they can pass their time, like they can take the online classes, they can study more. This is for the student, that they can study more, they can take the online classes. And for those who are totally idle and they don't have anything to do, so such people must need to involve themselves in the various things, like this is the time when they can come closer to their family. All of us know that everyone was isolated before this COVID-19, and everyone was busy in their room, and they were having the chit chat with their friends on the phone. So this is the ideal time to stay with your parents, sit with them, you can listen to them, and you can have a very positive and healthy communication with your parents. And this would be our state when we can remove the generation gap. And when this COVID-19 is having some negative aspects, so we can say that this is having some positive aspect, and that positive aspect is it is bringing the young people to the older generation, and they are getting closer to each other. And they were having the distancing from them, and now it's a golden time period that they will be gathered together. And viewers, I think this is enough for today, and I will see you soon with next video. I hope you like it. Thank you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.